sobrang swerte niya. Aba, minsan lang siya makakatagpo ng lalaking gagaya ko. Parang ano to, Ian Veneracion na nabugbog.
Give me that love I've been waiting for. Yeah.
Hi, Bibi. Enjoy your day. Your day? Dapat day namin. Enjoy. Alam niya, I love you. Mamaya, misis na kita. Panis!
Yeah, let me get closer. Keep me running wild. I can feel it all.
Sobrang happy ko. Nakasal na kayo ni Lance kasi finally, hindi ka na mababalik sa amin ni Lance.
All this time been tripping and slipping up.
So my forever favorite, here's something to keep you belt in love with me. You are the perfect fit for my love. Wow, puta, napaka-sweet.
Lance and Mrs. Raven, Tarubala's husband and wife to our venue.
Na-delete ko yung wedding bow ko. Pe-paste ko sana, tapos ililipat ko sa harapan kasi mas maganda yung salitang sinabi ko doon. Aba! Na-delete!
Right side ba siya, Roy? Dito ba? Dito ito.
Hi, B.
Dito. O sige, ulit. Joke lang.
Pwede na kitang ipakilala biglang asawa ko. Finally. Asawa ko. Mrs. ko. Sarap pakinggan, no? Actually, siya yung nagpilit sa akin mag-aral. Tambay ako dati. Siya yung nagbabago sa akin.
Lance, our story began in a way I never expected. 10 years ago, we were just classmates, each with our own crushes, not knowing that one day, we'd be here exchanging our vows.
I'm falling for you. Sabi ko, falling in love. Mali pala.
Una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa mama at papa mo dahil sobrang ganda ng mapapasasawa ko.
In 2019, we reconnected, all thanks to Daddy's idea in organizing an alumni reunion.
Para yun yung papa niya, tapos doon kami nagkakilala, nagkausap-usap. Tapos hanggang ngayon, niligawan niya ako. Nagpakipot pa ba ako? Siya na nanligaw sa akin.
Looking back, I can't help but feel that it was part of God's plan for us. The way we found each other again, how we grew together, and how our views changed. It's amazing to see how everything worked out in ways we never imagined.
Nalala mo pa doon, nanghiram pa ako ng tricycle motor kay Papa Ross, kay Marlon. Paglalabas tayo, susunduin ka sa inyo.
Talagang masasabi ko na ikaw ang idol ko sa hatid sundo. Now, I truly understand why Mommy and Daddy always wanted a good man for me. While there may always be other great men out there, remember this, you are the one I chose.
Malimit ko sinasabi sa kanila na money cannot buy happiness. Sa buhay mag-asawa, dapat laging nandoon yung pagpapasensya. Nandito na kayo, no? Simula na to nung kayo magsasama hanggang sa magkaanak. Okay, good luck and congratulations, anak.
I'm really happy and proud sa lahat ng narating mo. Kasi I witness how hard you worked for everything you have now. And now you have a supportive partner for the rest of your life. I love you always and cheers to the start of your new life.
Tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagmamahal na binigay namin ng papa mo, ipagpatuloy mo rin sa magiging pamilya mo.
Sana nga nandito si Papa para makita niya kung gaano ko galing ko pumili na mapapangasawa at kung gaano kaganda yung mapapangasawa ko.
I love you so much. And while I don't often express this publicly, I want you to know how incredibly happy and blessed I am to have you in my life.
Pero ito tayo ngayon, mag-iisang dibdib na magkasama sa hirap at ginawa. Mahal na mahal kita, B. Ikaw lang nag-iisang magandang nangyari sa buhay ko. I love you.
I promise to cherish you, honor you, and respect you in every day of our lives. And I am so excited to start another chapter of this lifetime with you. Mahal na mahal kita. It was really never easy. But through it all, your support, patience, and love have meant the world to me. Every step, though tough, has been worth it because we face it together.
Sobrang saya kasi parang pina-feel ni God na umulan man o umaraw, tuloy pa din talaga yung kasal. Kasi nagta-thank you din ako during bridal walk ko na binigay niya yung magandang sunlight para ma-capture yung moment natin.